In today's video, I am going to teach you how to refund in Godaddy. First, you need to get into your Godaddy account so you can access your billing and renewal information. To do that, log into your Godaddy dashboard. When you arrive at the main dashboard screen, take a moment to confirm that you are signed in successfully. You should see the account overview area, along with navigation options that lead to your billing settings. This step matters because refunds are handled through the billing side of your account, not from the general settings area. Next, once you are in the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. You will see your name or account profile there. Click your name in the top right, and then choose the option labeled Renewals and Billing. This is the key menu that brings you to the exact section where Godaddy tracks renewals, payment activity, and billing-related actions. As you click, pay attention to the drop-down menu and make sure you select Renewals and Billing rather than a general account or support option. The correct selection keeps you on the right path for managing charges and related requests. After you open Renewals and Billing, you will be taken to the area where your billing records and renewal details are listed. This screen is where you will see what you need for the next part of the process. Look for the information that is shown on this page because it should match your specific account activity. Depending on your current setup, you may see sections for upcoming renewals, recent billing activity, or related items that correspond to purchases or renewals. The important thing here is that the information appears in front of you and is organized so that you can find the relevant transaction. At this point, you are ready to move forward with refund management, using the details you see on the Renewals and Billing page. Since refunds depend on the correct transaction, take your time to understand what is displayed. If there are multiple charges or renewal entries, make sure you are viewing the one that matches the service or product you are trying to get refunded. You may not need to do anything complicated right away, but you should clearly identify the right line item or area associated with the charge. Now, because this section is specifically designed for billing activity, it is the place where the refund-related options and details are typically presented. That means staying on this page is essential. Do not jump away to unrelated menus. Instead, use the Renewals and Billing screen as your reference point while you proceed. And there is one more thing to keep in mind as you continue. Billing pages can load with different layouts depending on your account and what you have purchased. So, if your screen looks slightly different from what you expected, that is normal as long as you are still within Renewals and Billing and you can see your billing details. The goal is to land on the correct page where your renewal or billing information is available. With that, you have completed the initial setup steps. You are logged into your Godaddy dashboard. You open the Renewals and Billing section from your profile menu, and you are now on the page where the relevant billing details are shown. From here, you can follow the refund process using the information that appears on screen. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.